is life. If you consciously eat the food, with gratitude, it will behave in a completely different way in your system. That is the joy of eating. Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you liked my video, please like and share it. This is all about food and lifestyle. It includes 3 sections. 1. Juice section. 2. Salad section. 3. Food section. So, let's first jump into the juice section. Carrot juice. This is fat-free, cholesterol-free, and 100% calorie package. Ingredients: 5 to 6 carrots, peeled, chopped randomly. Honey or powder sugar to taste. Pepper, little. Method: blend the carrots and honey, with 4 cups of water until it's smooth. Make sure you start blending, with minimum amount of water. Pour the juice into glasses. Sprinkle it with little pepper, and serve it chilled. Let's go further, to the salad section. Banana fruit salad. Ingredients: 3 ripe bananas, peeled, chopped. 1 papaya, peeled, chopped. 4 chapatis, cut, and seeds removed. 15 to 20 fresh mint leaves. Method: put the bananas, papaya, and chapatis in a bowl. Add mint leaves. Mix, and serve well. If needed, you can add little jaggery powder, and your salad is ready. Before going to my last section, I want to give you a food storage tip. To store bananas for longer periods, use plastic wrap on bananas, or cover the crown of a bunch of bananas in paper wrap, to slow the release of ethylene gas. This will prevent them from ripening too quickly. But even if you find yourself with some bananas that are past their prime, that doesn't mean you have to toss them into the trash. There are a number of tasty recipes that call for overripe bananas. I will share those in my future videos. And finally, in the food section, I have banana roti. Ingredients: 3 ripe bananas, peeled, chopped. 1 cup milk. 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. 3 cups atta, also called wheat flour. 2 tablespoons oil. Half a teaspoon salt. Method: blend the bananas in a blender. Add the milk and sugar, and whisk until it's smooth, and keep it aside. In a big bowl, combine wheat flour and salt. Add oil, and the banana mixture. Mix everything into a dough, and keep it aside for half an hour. Divide the dough into small portions, and roll them. Make them into small rotis or chapatis. Roast them on a tawa, until both sides are evenly roasted. Serve them warm. Okay then, see you soon with my next video, where I would come up with new dishes. Stay tuned. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.